EcoCleanergy has been almost a decade in the sustainable energy business. The company is required to invest in machines to increase production. The investment in machines is equal to increasing production, and this will generate many jobs and high profits. The company plans to increase the production to 1,000 panels per year and sell the panels for $580 each. Minimizing the cost is the main objective, and to achieve this, different investigations will be performed, and the company will consider the cost of the machinery and the cost of operation and maintenance in relation to production. EcoCleanergy plans to pay the loan in 2 years at a rate of 8%. There were two methods of payment. The option A is to pay the loan in two end of the year payments, and option B is to pay the amount at the end of the 2 years, only one payment.
In this slide, we have option A. Loan payment option A includes a loan of $350,000 at an interest rate of 8%, two payments at the end of 2 years, a total interest of $42,000, a payment every year of about $196,000, and a total loan payment of $392,000. The scheduling for payment option A would have a beginning balance of $350,000 with an interest of $28,000, a principal of $168,000, and will give us an ending balance of $181,730.77. The beginning balance for the second year would be the ending balance of the first one, but this time the interest is of $14,000 and a principal of $181,730.77. This will sum up the total loan payment. Option B. Loan payment option B is a loan of $350,000 at an interest rate of 8%, one single payment with a total interest of $28,000. Since there's only one payment, for the 2 years the total loan payment would be $378,000. This has a beginning balance of $350,000, an interest of $28,000, and a principal of $378,000. An automatic machine would have a purchase price of $35,000, $3,500 in installation cost, annual maintenance for $3,500, and an annual operation cost at $1,000, which would total up to $43,000. Auto manual machine would have a purchase price of $30,000 with an installation cost of $4,700, with an annual maintenance of $5,100, annual operation cost at $2,400, which would total up to $42,200. Manual machine would have a purchase price of $20,000, installation cost of $6,500, annual maintenance for $5,400, and an annual operation cost of $10,800, which would total up to $42,700. And out of all these, the auto manual machine is the cheapest one. In this slide, we have the options with the net profit after the end of 2 years. The automatic machine option would be $930,000 in profit. Auto manual machine option would have a net profit of $961,200, and the manual machine option would have $924,400. From the greatest to the least profit would be the auto manual machine option, then the automatic machine option, and then for last but not least, the manual machine option, which would be the worst acquisition. And the best acquisition would be the auto manual machine option, because its profit is of $30,000 more dollars than any of the other two options.
Hi, my name is Francisco and I will present you the best alternative for this project. As you can see on the table on the presentation, there are 6 options, in which there were 3 with option A and 3 with option B, showing the automatic machine option, auto manual machine option, and the manual machine option. And as you can see, the 2 years revenue for all is the same, remains the same. What changes the profit over 2 years? As you can see, the one with the least profit, so is the worst option, is the loan payment option A plus manual machine option with 531,861.54. And as you can see also on the chart, the best option, the best alternative is the loan payment option B plus auto manual machine option, which give us $583,200 as a profit. Next, as the sensitivity analysis and data collection. The use of machines is critical in this type of company. There cannot be any type of increase in production without them. If the company wants to expand, having the tools and machines to grow is necessary. If we increase the capital for this company, this will increase the output per machine and per worker. The workers could use 3 types of machine: automated, manual, and auto-manual. There are 2 payment options that surround the purchase of the machinery. The first one, a 2-year payment at the end of each year, and the second one, a one-time total payment made at the end of the 2 years. Profit made by the machines vary, and the machine that has the better outcomes is the auto manual machine, as I say. producing 961,200 after the end of 2 years. Then followed by the second option, the automated machine with 930,000 and manual machines with 924,400. Economic analysis and recommendation. In conclusion, this is the last slide of our presentation. The benefits produced by the machines minus the cost of the loans equal the total gains produced after 2 years. The best combination, as I say, is the auto manual machine with a single payment loan after 2 years. We follow a process to come to this, which is buy new machines, consider the total cost of the machines. Then we analyze which option has better net profit. We examine loan payment options and we review the total net profit over 2 years. Then we choose the best alternative, which is the one who costs less or is more profitable. It is recommended that Eco Clean Energy consider the best alternative to generate high profits at the lower cost. Thank you.